So welcome everyone, welcome to another episode of my vlog, and today's vlog is all about the service due options which is not showing in the Himalayan 450. There are some bikes where the service due is not showing up in a digital console, so today we will see. So let's start the bike first. So here is my digital console, and here if you can see, if I just initially there is a blank, nothing in the analog view. So initially if you just left click the joystick, and then the trip one will show, and then I will just navigate downwards. Trip 2, fuel range, fuel consumption, battery voltage, and engine temperature. So there is no service due option, or where we can see that when will be the next service. So let's find out how we can enable this features. So from the trip one, press the right joystick, and it will be blank in the digital console, and then just press the up. Okay, so here if we can navigate through this appearance, trip preference, and my vehicles. So you have to enter to the my vehicles, and here you can see trip 1, trip 2 all are enabled, battery gauge, and there is service due, this is disabled currently. So if you just click through the joystick, you have to press it, no left, right, or up, down, you have to press it. So whenever you just press it, you can see over there that the service due is enabled right now. So now we can click the home button here. So if we just click home button, and then we are in the home. So this is the blank, and if we click on the left side, so there will be trip 1, trip 2. I'm just clicking downwards the joystick, fuel range, fuel consumption, voltage, and here you can see the service overdue option. So let's see that how we can reset this service overdue option. So what we have to do is that we have to put the bike in the 6th gear, 4th, and then 5th, and then 6th. So right now it is in the 6th gear, and then I'm gonna press the left joystick, and you will see that the service overdue will be reset to the next service option. So I'm just holding the left switch, and see the service due in has been changed to 5000 kilometer and 180 days. I mean either 5000 kilometer or either 180 days, which come first. So that's how we can change the service due option, and the appearance we can enable it in the appearance option. So now we are gonna off the screen, and again we are gonna on it. Let's see if the service overdue option is there or not. Trip 1, trip 2, fuel consumption, voltage, and service due in, as you can see that the 5000 kilometer and 180 days. So again, what you can do is that you can disable this service due option, because it is not necessary in the home screen. So again I will go to the settings, and then in the my vehicle, then I will go to the service due in option, and I will disable it, because it is not required for me to see the service due in every time. So it's better to disable. All the other options is necessary to see in the home screen. So now I will click the home button, and now we are in the home. And now if I just navigate downwards through the joystick, we can see that there is no service due option. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.